concept. Yeah. What is the changes around us? Yesterday we are discussed based on the changes of session. Yes. All the students. I hope there is so many are not coming into our chat box. Please ready. Please come to chat box. Yeah. May I wait for 2 minutes? Yeah. Just after 2 minutes, I want to start the class. Yeah, one check it here. There is a very important topic for today's. That is only change of around us. Yesterday we have discussed already all the students. That is how the change of sessions are going on. Okay, how we recognize the change of sessions. Already I am discussed with experimental proof also. When you take a globe and you take a light and how it is rotated and how it is the changes are coming. Yes, you know very well that the summer our earth is very near to the sun, that's why it is hot. At the winter it is go away from the sun, that's why it is somewhat cold. Okay, clear or not all the students? And what the changes we are considered at the Yeah, what the changes are we are considered at the time of what actually at the time of winter and as well as the summer. At that time, how we wear the changes are coming in our dresses and how we changes our food habitations, how we are changes the environment. That all the things already we are discussed now. Okay, clear or not, all the students? All the situations we are discussed, and especially what the changes we are considered naturally the daytime is a changes, duration of the daytime is a changes. When you take a December 1st, there is a one type of a duration is there. When you take a May 1st and May 31st, another change of duration is there. Sun is rising at a particular time, sun is setting another particular time. Okay, clear or not, all of you? Not day to day there is a compulsory. The changes are coming in the time and as well as in the whatever we are considered in the time it is a changes. In the whatever our position of sun is also changes. You know very well. Always the sun rise at which side? You know very well. The sun rise at east side only. But every day there is a not at same on east side. Yesterday we are discussed. When you take a compass and record the direction of the sun, automatically it is also changes. The photography whatever given in our textbook, that is also give the proof of sun position change. Okay, clear or not, all of you? And there is a what in the environment, the atmosphere is a changes. That all the changes are coming in the session is only called the changes of session. Okay, clear or not, all of you? I hope you got it. Yes, how do we consider the changes? Compulsory, some indicators are there and some causes are there. Okay, what you understood from this all the explanations? Yeah, we want to observe and change clearly. We want to describe about one change clearly. We compulsory required what the things? Two things are required. One is the indicator, another one is a causes. What is the indicator for curd is a curd formation from milk? What is the indicator from change of the sessions here? Yeah, already I am given that homework. I hope there is so many you have completed that. Okay, how we are changes, that is how we consider that indicator. Yeah, there is a what? When it is a milk is a changes to the curd, its a color is a changes. It's whatever it's a state, the physical state is a changes, and as well as its taste is a changes. That are indicators. There is somewhat changes are going in a milk when it is converted to curd, and as well as at the same time there is a what is it causes for it. Yeah, when you observe that curd by using the microscope, somewhat some microorganisms, somewhat yeast bacteria may appear for us. Okay, now whatever we added the sample curd to the curd, that contain the what? Somewhat yeast bacteria. That yeast bacteria are only changes our milk into the form of a curd. That is a cause for it. And as well as when you take a changes of session, what is the indicators? The indicators are what? The daytime is a changes. There is a what? Our position of sun is a changes. That all indicators are what gives the what and as well as there is a atmosphere is a changes. Our food habitations are also changes. Our cloth wearing is also changes. These are indicators. And what is the cause for it? Yeah, earth revolution around the sun. That is only cause for it. Okay, clear or not, all of you? Earth is a go away from the sun. Earth is a come to near to the sun. That is only cause for the changes are surrounding in the changes are coming in the session. Okay, clear or not, all of you? Now you compare. Okay, clear or not? Changes coming in the session. The first thing is about here in our which change takes place naturally. which change needs initiation and intervention of human beings to occur, which is a temporary change, which is a permanent change. There is a what? This comparison gives that what is the nature of changes. The changes are mainly, we are classified based on 4 things. Okay, first thing is the change is fast or slow. Change is, it is a fast or slow. Okay, clear or not all the students? And here the change is, okay now, yes, natural or manual. It is a natural change or manual. Okay, clear or not all the students? If the change is required, the change is required initiations and interventions. Requires initiations or interventions. Okay, clear? Interventions are nothing but interfere of a human being. Interventions are required for it. Okay, clear or not all the students? And the last one is the change is a permanent or not. Change is a permanent or temporary. Yes, clear or not all of you students? There is a change is here. It is a permanent change or it is a permanent change or it is temporary change. It is a permanent change or it is a temporary change. Manual is nothing but human being. Means what? A man is involved in that. Okay, clear or not all of you? For the change purpose, the man is involved in that. It is called a manual. Okay, clear or not all of you? Change is a fast or slow. Change is a natural or manual. They require initiation or invention. The permanent or temporary. This is only we are taken here. Clear or not all the students? And now here that is what here first you consider the curd to the milk only. And here the slow or not. It is a man invention, man interference is required or not. It is a temporary change or permanent change. Suppose when you consider as milk is a convert into curd. Okay, milk convert into what actually? Curd. In this one, what is there? Okay, now it is a slow reaction or fast reaction. Compare with our change of session. Yeah, the change of session is it is immediately occur. Change of session? No, it is it will be take a time. Winter to summer, summer to winter. There is somewhat duration is there. Okay, clear or not all of you? Here there is a milk convert from milk is a convert to curd. It will be take how much time? Just 3 to 4 hours. When it is a compare with the change of session, it is a pass somewhat. Clear or not all of you? Yes, it is a change of session is a slow. When it is a compared with the yes, this change of sessions is a compared with the milk converted. It takes more time. It is a take somewhat more time here. It is a take a less time. Clear or not all students? Okay now, when there is once observed the changes of session from winter to the summer. How much time? Winter is it started at October, summer is it come at March or April. Clear or not all of you? Yes, that is what it will be take approximately 4 months of a time. Clear or not all the students? But 4 months is a very big time. And here compared with the milk is converted into curd. It is a less time only. It is a very less time. Why? Because it is 3 to 4 hours. Clear or not all the students? This is only about the changes of fast and as well as the slow. Here comparison is compulsory. You can't say it is a fast, it is a slow. Okay, compare suppose when you take a milk is a convert to a curd or not in the bulb. Before that it is not glows, now it is a glows. Okay, how much time it will be taken? A fraction of seconds. Then what you conclude here? There is a what? The electric bulb glow is a faster than the milk is a convert to the curd. Milk is a convert is a faster than the, yes, our session change of sessions. In this way, we are compulsory compare. It is a fast reaction or slow reaction. The change is a coming a fast or slow. Okay, when you compare with the other change. That is a one thing. Next come to here, change is a manual or otherwise natural. Manual is nothing but any human being is involved in that or not. Any live thing is may involved in that or not. That is only called manual. Yeah, there is a manually we change the session. You and me and our all the friends and all the, yes, our elders and all our man and you human beings on the world are used their energy and they change the session. No, it is not possible for us now. It is not possible for us. Okay, clear or not all the students? It is not possible for us change the session. Then who change the session? Yeah, naturally only. Whatever natural substances are there like a sun, air, they changes their position because of that change of session occur. That is only called natural. Okay, clear or not all of you? No human being is involved in that. It is called a natural. Yes, our milk is a convert to the curd. It is a manual or human being. It is a naturally occur. Naturally, you take a milk, you take a curd and put the beside one another. There is a what? It will be converted. The milk is a converted into curd. There is a without of your involvement. Yeah, compulsory we required our involvement. Okay, clear or not all of you? Yes, human being involved in that thing. Suppose the bulb glows, then naturally it glows. Lightning is a coming. Suppose during the thunder, during the rain, there is a lightning is a coming. That is a natural change or otherwise human being. Yeah, naturally only. There is no human being is involved. We are not going and we are taken in two clouds and we are not rubbing it. Clear or not all the students? It is possible by human beings? No. That type of the things are called natural change. Okay, clear or not all the students? Yeah, there is a what? When it is taken, yes, our curd conversion from milk, it is compulsory we require the human being activity. We take a sample curd and it is added to the lukewarm milk. At that time only curd is formed. Otherwise, it is formed. You take separately the milk, separately the whatever curd. Okay, it is formed. No, it is not formed like that. Okay, clear or not all the students? That is only we are taken as changes around us. It is sometimes made it possible by natural. Sometimes it may be possible by the manual. Requirement of initiation and interventions. Clear or not all of you? Initiations are required, interventions are required when there is a human being is there. Okay, there is a what we required conversion of our milk to the curd. You want to take a milk and the milk is first you have to take a milk and you compulsory. Okay, now heat that milk. We want to provide the milk. It is an initiation. And as well as intervention also. What we have to make intervention? Yeah, you add some sample of curd. It will be like that in a change of session possible. We are interfering that. There is any initiation is required. No initiation regularly going on. There are change from the winter to summer. There is we are initiation. We are made initiation. We are take a sun. We are take a earth. One is towards another one. You go away from like that. You come like this. That initiations are taken. That is going on. No initiations. No. Okay, now endings. Here compulsory. It is going on. Okay, clear or not all of you? No one is started it is. No one is stopped it is. It will be going like a regular. Okay, clear or not all the students? In this one, there is a what? Initiation and interventions are also may sometimes are going in a changes. Okay, clear or not all the students? I hope you got it. This information is also compulsory. Yes, there is any initiation is there or not. Okay, in case initiation, which type of initiation? Okay, now who are involved in that? Chemical involvement or physical involvement? Yeah, otherwise any human being involvement is there. Otherwise themselves they only take an initiation the substances. That will be not have a year. Okay, and next to come to here, next for our change of session there is no initiation, but our conversion of a curd to the milk is a compulsory required the initiation. Next to come to here there is a change is a permanent or a temporary. Yeah, some changes are permanently, it will be like that only remained after when the change is coming from the initial position to this after coming into the change. The change never again come back. Okay, some changes are, may changes it is, okay now, once and again there is a original whatever the situation is there, again it will becomes. You know very well, in our change of sessions, if once it is a changes from summer session to winter session to again summer session. Clear or not all of you students? There is a winter is a coming into summer. Again a summer is a convert into the winter also. It will be not remain like that only. Winter is not remain like a winter only. This is a permanently the winter session is only going on. No. The earth is a changes its position with respect to the sun, automatically the changes are coming for us. Okay, clear or not all the students? Okay, clear or not all the students? There is a what temporarily changes are there, somewhat permanent changes are there. Okay, got it or not? Yeah. Again summer is there, the summer after 6 months may it will be converted as a winter. The winter again converted as a summer. That is a regular process, cyclic process is going on. Clear or not all the students? Yes? And that's why it is not called a permanent change. Our change of session is not a permanent change. Okay now? But there is some changes are there permanently going on. There is again the original whatever the substance is there may not get for you. Yeah, there is our milk is a converted to the curd, that type of change only. It is a permanent change. Why? Once the milk is a converted to curd, again the curd is a converted to milk. It is possible to change again, it is a convert into that. It is not a temporary change. Na? After some 1 hour, after 4 hours, it is a convert our milk into curd. But again our curd is a convert into milk. After 4 hours, again 4 hours, again 2 hours, again 1 day, again 2 days, again 3 days you take it like that. It's a convert into milk again. No, it is not a convert into milk again. Okay, clear or not all the students? Never it will be converted into milk, not only 1 or 2 days. That's why that is called a permanent change. Yeah, now you are growing. You are growing now. You are now in a 6th class. Okay, clear or not all the students? Again you are now somewhat height you increases. Again you are possible to go your height is into your childhood level. It is possible? No, it is not possible. It is a permanent change. May not again we are going to as a somewhat UKG height like that. It is not possible, na? It is not possible. That is a permanent change. Okay, na? So what you observed from here our this explanation, yeah, whatever the changes are going around us, there is in like this format. Somewhat our past changes are there. Somewhat slow changes are there. Some changes are past changes are going on. Somewhat changes are very slow changes. Okay, clear or not all of you students? And like our change of session is a slow change, our third conversion from milk is a past change. Human being activities for getting the change sometimes need not to use any other human being interference for getting the change. Clear or not all the students? And the next last one is required initiation. For the getting into the change, we require somewhat initiations. Okay, clear or not all the students? Without the initiation, the change is not possible to get. Okay, clear or not all of you? That is only. We require a change of initiation. And sometimes interventions are also. During the change also, during the taken initiation, again we want to interfere in that also we require. That is only require initiation and interventions. And change is the permanent and temporary. Changes are permanent and as well as the temporary. Yeah, there is about how many changes we are considered. There is sometimes the changes coming in the substance, again it is not regained for us. Once it is changes, then the change is only remained. Okay, whatever the original situation is there at the front, it will be not again get for us. Okay, now once you come to here, somewhat changes are temporarily. Suppose you take here during this winter session, our oil is become coconut oil. When you take a coconut oil is converted into saline. But after some time it is converted into liquid again. Okay, clear or not all of you? Yes, like these things, so many are there. Somewhat temporary, somewhat permanent, somewhat slow, somewhat fast, somewhat natural, somewhat human beings, somewhat initiations and interventions are required, somewhat not required. Yes, our total changes around us, whatever there, we classified into this format only. Okay, now I hope you got it. And now we take somewhat examples, and there is one table is also given here. Okay, now for this purpose, the temporary change or permanent change, and there is mainly what is the changes. Once we have to go to discuss here. Here, changes of ice into water. Here, there is a what? Categorize the changes. Okay, clear or not all of you? What is there is here? Categorize changes. Yeah, there is how many categories are there? One check here. Types of changes. It is natural or not, man-made or temporary. Okay, clear or not all of you? Permanent, change in a state or not, changes in a shape or not. Like that, there is a categorized changes. Here, first we are going to discuss about what is the changes here. That is the first thing is about changes of ice into water. Changes of ice into water, into ice again. Okay, now what check it here? Here ice we have taken, it is a convert as a water, and as well as again it will be convert as a ice. Okay, clear or not all the students? Here it will be slow process or fast process. Okay, it will be slow process or fast process. But you compare compulsory. We want to know about slow and fast of the changes compulsory. It will be required. Yes, suppose you take here for a conversion change of session. It is a very fast change of our whatever our curd is converted to milk. Suppose you compare this. Ice is converted to water. Just when you provide 100 degrees centigrade to the ice, it is converted to water. Again, when you provide the 0 degrees centigrade, it is converted to the what? It is converted to ice. That is not taken that much of time. Okay, that's why it is a fast process compared with the convert into compare with the convert milk into curd. This is about a change of ice. It is a permanent change or temporary change. Yeah, it is a temporary only. Why? Because ice is converted into water, water is converted into ice. Yeah, here it is a natural process or human possibilities. It is naturally possible. No, it is not naturally possible. Compulsory we required external agency. Why? Because we want to provide somewhat heat. Otherwise, it will be remain like that only. Otherwise, we want to provide somewhat cold to this water. Otherwise, it will remain like that only. In our home, there are all water components are converted into ice. Otherwise, our all ice components in the fridge, it will be remain in the fridge, it will be converted to water. No, when you put off the fridge, at that time it is converted to water. When you put off, when you take the water into fridge, at that time only it will be converted to, yes, ice. That is only. Yes, and next to come to here, it is not a permanent change, it is a temporary change. Clear or not? Any initiation is taken? Yeah, we want to produce some temperature. That is only initiation. No intervention. Then no need to again interventions. Once initiated, it will be converted. Okay. Without initiation, it is not possible. Next, come to here. There is about rusting of iron. Next component what we have taken in our textbook, rusting of iron. How the rusting will be get for us? How rust will be get for us? Yeah, when iron is nothing but ferrous. Yes, then the mixture is added to the ferrous, automatically it will be formed as a ferrous oxide. This is only called what? Rusting. Okay, clear or not all of you? It is a fast reaction or slow reaction? Yeah, it is a depending on the oxygen amount is added to the ferrous. Okay, should we compare it? And as well as it is a permanent change or otherwise temporary change. Yeah, it is a permanent change only. Yes, it is not possible to remove oxygen once it is formed as a rust. Okay, clear or not all of you? It is formed, it is possible. One rusted change again it will be formed as the same. No. Your bicycle, in case your bicycle is get the rust, it is only removed from that. That's it. But again, not velvet is it is a permanent change. It is not temporary change. Okay, now we remove the rust only, but rust is not totally disappear, and rust, whatever the rusted ferrous is there, again not become as a ferrous. Ferrous oxide is not become as a ferrous again. Okay, clear or not all the students? And it is only we are considered like this. Here growing in the plants and as well as the rice to cooked rice. Okay, rice to cooked rice, it is a permanent change or temporary change? It is a permanent change. When you cook rice, again it will be converted to rice. No, it is not possible. Okay, now? Yes? Sir, when we are again heated that, it will be converted into rice, sir. Otherwise, when we take it is in on the sunlight, it will be converted to rice. No, it is not like that rice. Already somewhat it will be contain moisture. Okay, now don't take like that silly components into that. Okay, clear or not all this? Once it is a cooked, it is a boiled, and it will be may not again come into as a form of a rice. Okay, it is a permanent change. And any initiation is required? Yeah, initiation is required. It is a natural change? No, it is a human beings manual change. It is a which process? It is a taken a fast or slow? Compare here. Okay, now compare compulsory. When you take a curd formation and as well as the rice convert into cooked rice, which one is here? Which one is here past? Yeah, cooking of rice is the past reaction. Like that only here you take a melting of ice cream. Melting of ice cream. It is a temporary change or permanent change? Yeah, it is a temporary change. Why? Because when it is melted, again when we freeze it, it is become as a, yes, again ice cream. Okay, clear? Not a possible total ice cream. When it is ice cream is converted into melting, again it is not become ice. It is possible to convert as ice. Like that, every time the changes whatever containing around us, you compare that things with the past or slow. Any human being or natural, or otherwise any, yes, invention, whatever initiation and interventions are there. Otherwise, it is a permanent or temporary. These all are should be included in that. I hope you got it. Yes, and now there is our tabular format is there. That is only categorize the changes possible or shape change may possible. These all the changes may are coming in that. Clear or not all the students? I hope you change from the milk to curd. This is a natural or otherwise man-made. Yeah, it is a man-made. There is okay. Clear or not all the students? And it is a temporary or permanent? It is a temporary or permanent? Yeah, it is a permanent, not a temporary. Yes, which one? The first one, it is a permanent. Changes in the state, yeah, it is a changes from liquid to solid. Changes in a shape, yeah, changes in a shape is also possible. Okay, and changes in a session, it is a natural, it is a not a man-made, it is a temporary, it is not a permanent. Changes the state, yes, there is a no, it is not a changes in a state, changes the shape, yeah, changes the shape, not it applicable for it. Changes of ice into water and water into ice, the rusting of iron, these are the things we are going to discuss tomorrow. Okay, clear or not all the students? What is the categories of the changes? There is how many types of categories are there? Temporary, permanent. There is the most probably changes of state, changes of shape. Okay, now fast or slow. One is compared with another one. Like that, you take categorizes and you write is yes or no. Try to fill the table. Yes, that 4 based on today's explanation. I hope you got it all the students. And now this is only conclusion of our lesson. You complete the table 5 and table 6 and table 7 also. Okay, tomorrow we'll go with the what? Our question answers and improve your learning concepts also. Okay, clear or not all the students? Simple thing only. Okay now, yes, it is any shape change is a consider. Suppose you take a boiling of egg. You know very well, egg to boiled egg. Is the changes in the shape or not? Yeah, changes it is. And in the boiling of egg, it is a form of a liquid inside whatever the material it is there in liquid. But it is a convert into solid. It is a temporary change or permanent change? It is a permanent change, you know very well. When it is a boiled, again the boiled egg is a cool down, it is become as a normal egg. Okay, not it is that's why it is called a permanent change. It is a natural or it is a man-made? Yeah, it is a man-made, not a natural. It is a initiation is required or not? Yeah, initiation is required. You take that egg and you take a heat water and you put it is that compulsory initiation is required. And as well as these are only how to mention. And then after you categorize which one you take it is a permanent change at a one particular place, slow change, fast change. Permanent change, temporary change. You take from that table, again you write that in that particular tables. Yes, from the table 4 you get the table 5, table 6 and table 7 also. Okay, suppose you take here electric bulb on and off. Electric bulb on and off. It is a natural or man-made? It is not a natural, it is a man-made. And temporary or permanent? It is a temporary only. On and off, it is a temporary only. Okay, clear or not all of you? Yes, on and off. Temporary only. Now, next one is about permanent changes in a state. Maybe state change nothing but physical state. It is glows and as well as not glows. In that format you have to take. Shape is not changes. Electrical bulb shape is a changes. During this change, no. That is only we are taking. Okay, clear or not all the students? I hope you got it this information. Bye students, take care, read well and very interesting and as well as very enthusiastic concept it is. What is the slow, what is the fast, what is the temporary, what is the permanent, what is the natural, what is the man-made. Like that, very enthusiastic things are there. Once find out, okay, after your observations. Thank you students, bye, take care and prepare for our S7 examination till to this day. This lesson also may come in your examination. Okay, clear or not all of you? 4th lesson, 5th lesson, 6th lesson may not come in your examination. Okay, now why? Because these lessons are deleted from our syllabus. That's why the lessons are may not come for you, but we have already discussed it for our knowledge purpose. Don't bother about that. That may not come in your examination. 4th, 5th, 6th are may not come in your examination. Okay, thank you students. Bye. Take care.